and none of this would have been possible without the unwavering support of my family. My mom, my acha, Chach, Bhabi, Bebo, Zoe. I have 2 babies now. Yeah. Give me a moment because I'm still shaking, because this is the first time I'm coming here for an award, and this is the first time I'm actually getting an award here in the North. I've done this for 20 years, I've done 75 films, but it all feels new to me now. But thank you so much for all the love for Jawan. I was just here for a day when it released, but I've been hearing such massive blockbuster reviews, and everyone knows, you know, the kind of love Jawan gave all of us. So thank you so much for that. இன்னைக்கும் என் கூட இருக்கும் உறவுக்கும் உயிர்க்கும் உலகுக்கும் என்னோட எல்லாமான விக்கிக்கும் ஒரு 1000 கோடி லவ் யூ. கலைக்கும் காதலுக்கும் நன்றி, அன்புக்கும் ஆண்டவனுக்கும் நன்றி.
जो भी बोला बहुत अच्छा बोला. Absolutely. Welcome to the